I'd like to take you on a little journey of trying to get these little suckers here rehabilitated. Now I'm going to be planting these into cocoa. They have been grown for the past, I think, 2 years in this, what is that, expanded clay type material, which is not really the best. So, no, cocoa it is. Now we've taken it back quite a bit. Gonna really, well, now we got a really flat root table. Not a lot of roots left, but it's a good start. Okay, next one. These are basically giant cuttings now, so keep them inside, out of direct sunlight if you do something like that. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.